Welcome to our quick guide on how to delete a community description on WhatsApp. If you've created a community and want to remove its description, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily update your community's information. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Once you're ready, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. You'll see the familiar green icon with the white phone inside. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a few tabs there. Find the one labeled Communities and give it a tap. This will take you to a list of all the communities you're part of or manage. Scroll through your communities until you find the one you want to edit. Tap on it to open the community's main page. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 little dots. These dots are your gateway to more options, so go ahead and tap on them. A menu will pop up with several choices. Look for Community Info and select it. This will take you to a page where you can view and edit various details about your community. On this page, you'll see an option that says Edit Community Info. Tap on that, and you'll be able to modify different aspects of your community's profile. Now focus on the current community description. Tap on it, and your keyboard will appear. Here's where the magic happens. Simply delete the entire description. Once you've removed all the text, look for the checkmark icon. It's usually in the top right corner or near your keyboard. Tap that checkmark to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your WhatsApp community description. It's that easy to keep your community's information up to date. Remember, you can always add a new description later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.